guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be making a Saltine Toffee candy recipe. I feel like I've had this, but I don't know. The recipe that I will be using will be down in the description below, so if you want to check it out, go there, make it, and let me know if you do, because it's only got 4 mandatory ingredients, optional others. It looks easy, delicious, it looks sweet and salty, which is like my jam. Throughout this video, I'm just going to show you the process of how it's made based on the written instructions, and I will go over things that I learned or things that were more difficult or easier. At the end of the video, I'll give a review and let you know if it's love at first bite. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. The first thing I got going on was my toffee mixture. So I put 2 sticks of butter and 3/4 a cup of brown sugar and let that go. And then I got my salted saltines and put them salt side down on my baking tray. I think this is like, I don't know, it's bigger than a 9x13, but not by much. But they all fit pretty perfectly, as you can see. I was kind of happy. That was very satisfactory. But once my butter and brown sugar mixture started to melt, I let it bubble for 8 minutes and then poured it over the saltines. And be very careful because this is very, very hot. Don't touch it because it'll hurt. But I just got my little spatula thing. Are those spatulas? And spread out the toffee mixture as best I could. Look how shiny it is. It's so pretty. And then I baked it for 8 minutes and it was still very, very wobbly. Got to be kind of careful. You don't want it to kind of harden at all. But then next I got my chocolate chips and sprinkled that all over. This is kind of fun. And then I baked those for 2 minutes and then I spread out the chocolate. And if I were to redo this, I would not spread it out completely. I think that the mixture of not chocolate with more chocolate is kind of fun, but that's just me. Do what you want. The recipe does say to spread it all out. And then next I did the optional topping. So I chose walnuts because I love them with chocolate. And then I tried to do some like red and green little sugar sprinkles, but they were too small to actually see on the chocolate. So I went and added in some just regular sprinkles, but then I let it cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes just to help the cooling process before I popped it in the fridge for about an hour. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. And I went and popped the rest in the fridge, but I'm gonna give this a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. It's so messy. It's really chewy. The caramel is like sticking to my teeth and it's really chocolatey. A lot more chocolatey than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna have more of the notes of caramel. Overall, I do like it. Like I've said 1,000 times, I'll say it again, I'm just not a huge chocolate lover. I don't really know what you would use instead other than potentially white chocolate chips, although that may make it too sweet because the caramel itself is very, 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 or the toffee is very, very sweet. I love the salty component from the saltine. Chocolate is just such an overpowering flavor for me. I don't typically lean towards it. I'm more of a peanut butter girl. But that's just me. But I think I gotta rate this a 9.5 out of 10. I think it's minimal ingredients, it's easy, delicious. It's like addictive. Like I said, I don't love the chocolate, but the chewiness and the crunchiness of the toffee with that sweet and salty thing makes me want to just keep eating and eating and eating. I think this is great. I think you guys should go down in my description and check out the recipe. Make it. It's good. You should just need to go do it. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up while you're here and subscribe for more recipes tested. And I will see you guys with my next video. Bye.